Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Lion Nation said, what made you want to teach the people how to trade? When I first started into this forex industry, I was not trying to teach anybody anything. I was just trying to learn it for myself. I was trying to just get out of poverty. You feel me? Y'all know my story. But then what's crazy is that the group I was in, I was like getting it faster than most of them. It was like 1,000 of us in the little Telegram group chat. I was getting the information way faster than they were. Like, I was excelling past these people that have been already doing it for 2 years. I'm in this boy for 3 months, 4 months, and I'm just like getting this stuff boom, boom, boom. I don't know if I wanted it more, if I had to learn it because of the situation I was in. I don't know what it was, but that's how it was. So then I started trying to help those people in that group because they were struggling with simple stuff. But I didn't want to overstep my boundaries. But the leaders of that group was like, yeah, go ahead and help them. You know, that's your calling. That's what he told me. He was like, yeah, this your calling. Go ahead and do what you got to do. Help them. Maybe it was because he ain't got time to help him, but he also saw that was a passion of mine. So it was a win-win for everybody. So I started helping those people. And then but see, the thing is, when I was in high school and I'm sitting in the back of the class, I'm like, man, these teachers suck. If I was smart enough to graduate college and be a teacher, I would probably be the best teacher there is. That's how I felt. Whether that's the truth, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But that's how I feel. I'd be like, man, I'd be one of the best teachers ever. But I'm just not smart enough to graduate college. But I think teaching was just always a passion of mine because I like to see people win. You know what I'm saying? My cousins, my nieces, my nephews, whenever I get around them, I'm always teaching them something. Like I was just teaching old boy a little bit on the hooping. You know what I'm saying? I was pushing him to be a better ball player, my cousin. So it's just a passion of mine. And so now that I'm really knowledgeable in forex, that's what I'm teaching. So that's just how it panned out. Lion Nation said, word, because you do a great job teaching, and I just wanted to know, thank you for sharing your wisdom and knowledge to help us get financial freedom. Keep going. Yeah, absolutely, man. And then also I noticed that real quick. I noticed that when I first started back in 2017, it was not like people where I'm from the hood, from the streets, from the urban areas. You see what I'm saying? We didn't know nothing about trading. All them times that I was running the streets, trying to sell drugs, breaking in houses, just doing everything hot boy that you can think of in the streets. Not once did I hear about, man, I know you can flip this money doing stocks. You can flip this money doing this. You can flip this money doing that. Like, nobody ever said that. Not even any of my older cousins. Not any of my older uncles. Maybe the only thing I heard of was real estate. I had one uncle that pretty much bought all the homes in Saginaw, Michigan. But he ain't really teach us nothing. He gatekeep that to himself. And now he's dead. You know what I'm saying? So it's just that I'm like, man, my community that I grew up in don't know nothing about trading. So I'm about to help them because that's just where I'm from. Like, I'm going to help everybody, but I'm definitely going to help my community because I don't want to see that no more. You know what I'm saying? For the people that want a way out, the people that want an opportunity, you got one.